Hello there and welcome to this week's Granny's Garden. Now this week it's just an update on the cutting down of the alder tree, which I did a couple of weeks ago. So I'm going to link it to the description below. It occupied this whole area, and at the end of the last video I was left with just the end of the tree trunk and of course the big stump and all its roots. So I'm just going to give you a few sequences of what this end part has meant to be finally able to close this chapter of the saga. It is important when you are going to remove a stump that you know which type of tree it is and what its root system looks like. Does it have a taproot or does it not? Are the roots big or are they small? Are they superficial or are they deep? Now in the case of the alder, there's no taproot, thanks be to goodness. And the roots are varied. They're quite superficial. They start about this much underground and go to around about 80 centimetres underground. So what you need to do is take layer by layer down and cut the roots as you arrive to them. Some of them are small, but some of them are the size of my thigh. They're absolutely massive. So it wasn't an easy job. And actually it took my son and my husband almost all day to get down there. They had to get around it. And when they got finally down to the end of the root, they had to dig down and underneath to be able to get the movement to lever it out. So be ever thankful that you have a husband and a son with muscles. Hey! Enjoy this episode of Granny's Garden. It's certainly a big weight off my shoulder. It's one of the real big jobs I had to do this winter, and I'm very, very glad to be able to tick it off the to-do list. So I'll see you here next week, next Friday in Granny's Garden. Bye bye now.